Today, Kansas Governor Laura Kelly addressed the turbulence concerning her no exempt ruling, limiting how many people can gather for church services. She said she needs the entire Kansas legislature and the Attorney General to work together. But not every church in Kansas played by the rules this past weekend. 41 Action News reporter Jordan Betts shares why 2 churches stayed open.
Heritage Baptist Church here in Lawrence is one of 2 churches that had in-person church services on Easter Sunday. In a time where doctors are urging the social distancing, we wanted to find out why they keep having the worship services.
The number one reason really for having church is because that's what the Lord wants us to do.
On Easter Sunday, Heritage Baptist Church in Lawrence ignored Governor Kelly's plea for no in-person church services.
I know that their big thing right now they want to say is safety. And I think we should be safe. It's not like that we're not doing the social distancing and things of that sort, yes, but to say that no church, let's not go to Walmart then. Let's not go to the liquor store.
People online not happy as comments on their Facebook reading extremely irresponsible, foolish, and disturbing. Hank says despite what people say, they took measures to keep members safe.
Every other pew, there's signs that says, please do not sit in this pew, thank you. It goes all the way across the auditorium so that every other pew has a space between the other.
Quiet now, but Risen Savior Lutheran Church in Baser had in-person worship on Sunday. CNN was there when people arrived.
What made you decide to go into the service today? It's against the law. Well, actually, the advice from the Attorney General says it's not. So we're following the advice from the Attorney General.
Because of that, the Reverend telling 41 Action News off camera he and his family are getting threats. He gave us this statement, in part saying, in this time, we also have put in measures that our services are safer than any business that is open, like skipping pews and having hand sanitizer in the lobby. So what could happen next to these churches in Kansas?
Enforcement is up to the locals.
As for the future of these churches,
what we do is just kind of stress to the church family that, hey, listen, this is serious, and we need to keep our distance, but we're still going to have church.
Jordan Betts, 41 Action News.
Risen Savior Lutheran Church has added about 25 church services this week that will only consist of 10 members or less. As for why they don't go online, Heritage Baptist says they have poor internet connection and they can't go live.